Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your maths period. Countdown book 4. Open your book 4. Today we are going to do the exercise 2F real life story sums. Your question number 1 is what is the least number of children who may be arranged in the rows of 12, 15 and 9? For this beta, you should keep one thing in your mind. Whatever you have to find the least number of children, you have to find out the LCM of these numbers. And how we'll take the LCM? For this, you can see here. First of all, we'll write the question. Solution 12, 15 and 9. We have these three numbers. And we'll start divide the number 12 from the first prime number, that is 2. Now we'll start to read the 2 times table. On which number we'll get 12? Yes, 2 6 are 12. Again, we'll see that 6 is divisible by 2. So again, we'll read 2 times table and we'll get another number. 2 3s are 6. And 3 is the prime number which is divisible by itself. So 3 1s are 3. We get 2 multiply 2 and multiply 3. These are the multiples of 12. Now we'll do the same. By the same method, we will do the factorization of 15. Again, we have the prime number 2. When we read 2 times table, we see that we didn't get 15 because 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16. It means we'll not divide 15 by 2. Now we move to the next prime number, that is 3. Again, we read 3 times table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. It means we'll get 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is a prime number and we know that it is divisible by its own table, that is 5 1s are 5. Now we'll move to the next number, that is 9, and again we'll see that 2 is not divisible by 9, 3 is divisible. On which number we'll get 9? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Yes, again 3 is a prime number which is divisible by itself. Now beta, we have done all the factorization. We did 12, 15 and 9. Now what we are going to do, we'll write these numbers, the multiples of 12, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Similarly, we have 15, 3 multiply 5, and 9 we have 3 multiply 3. Now from this we will see that which numbers are common. From here you can see that this 3 and 3 is common throughout. So we'll make a circle of the common numbers and we'll write here that common factor is equals to 3. Now whenever we want to find the least number, the least common multiple, we'll write all the common factors and as well as the non-common factors. Now you can see that 2, 2, 5 and 3, these are the non-common factors. We'll write here in the non-common factors column 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 and multiply 3. These are the non-common factors. Now what we will do to find the least common multiple, we'll multiply the common factors with the non-common factors. It means we will multiply 3 with rest of the non-common factors. That is 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. Now we are going to multiply all these numbers and we'll see the result. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 63s are 180. It means that we get the result of 180.